think you've broken my testicles. I think you've broken my schnuts.
My ass was here though.
Well, no, probably the end of your bum was here.
Oh, I swear to God.
Because whenever I broke.
I had that much space in between them and you.
Really?
Slide down.
I don't slide down, girl. What are you talking about? Are you saying that I like to have my nuts smashed against the tank?
Press massage, no?
A press massage? A press massage?
Doesn't make sense.
Not really. Well, you dropped on your head as a baby. Many times.
Oh, baby, it's triple! Oh, yeah!
What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Guess who I have on the back of me today? Gabby. Look at the camera. So Gabby hasn't been on the bike in about ages. I think that's the scientific word is f***ing ages. And that's because we've been thinking about selling her bike. To be fair, we have put it up on eBay like numerous times, but like we kind of felt that it wasn't in the most pristine condition that it could be for us trying to sell it. We've been basically remodeling her bike, doing loads of stuff to it. So Gabby really wants to get her bike all 100% done so that we can sell it and she can buy something a bit different. Babes, can you move back? My nuts being smushed against the tank. You don't want me to have smushed nuts because you need those, you know. It's really important when you have pillion on the back to use your rear brake as well. Hashtag tips. Hold on. Oh, we're getting owned. We just got owned. Decided. No nod. What the fuck? The fucking Sunday riders. The no nodders, we'll call them. Another no nodder. Great. Right, let's see if we can do one of those MLG turns here. No, stay on. No, I got this, bruh. My manly legs. So what people don't tell you about riding is that when you are turning, it's like having your trousers down between your ankles. Especially you've got someone like Gabe on the back with the thickness. Come on then. Power wheelie back off the ramp. It's so pretty here, isn't it? So Gabby and I are looking to buy a house. Oh my god, this road is so bumpy with Gabby on the back. Oh god. So pull over and make sure I have my fucking wallet. Check out my wallet. Yeah, we're good. It's the problem, you know, it's like I have too many things in too many pockets. I can't feel everything. Oh, panic attack over. So right now we're off to the home base basically to get bits and bobs for Gabby's bike. So we need to buy some adhesive glue for the BMW tank badges that go on either side of the BMW tank. Also, we are going just to check if the pet shop is open because Leo, our little Jack Russell, yesterday gave us a massive scare. He ran away, but he ran away twice and came back, and both times she was gone for about 15 minutes. He's microchipped, but he doesn't have a tag that say, "This little shit is property of Duke Blade." So here we are, Pet's Corner. So we got your dog tags that says Freddy on it and gives my number and address, does it? So that people know when you're lost to find you and to give you back to me. I'm not giving a reward though. You're my owner. It's probably true actually. Bitch. There it is. Damn. Gabby, look at the rain clouds, girl.
God, let's go home.
Oh, I have a feeling that we're going to be chasing the rain home. Bumpy, bumpy. Boom, 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 boom. Man, those things are lethal. Now, where's the VIP parking at? Right? Gabby, look, I can't take you out in public at the moment. Yeah, that's right. After you. After you. After you. That's alright. Thank you. Whenever I go over those bumps, Gabby's arse just flies off the seat. Uh-oh, it's raining, we need a dip. Time for Duke Blade to outrun the rain. Nice f***ing indicating, you cock. People literally don't give a f*** about indicating and it just infuriates me. Alright, baby? Oh, come on, traffic lights not in my favour today. Traffic light God smiled upon us. Woo! Down there, we need to get some fuel. Oh, this is brilliant. Sex juice. Do you want to go pay for it with my card, baby? Shall I give you my card and you can go pay for it? I swear to God there's a sheep in the back of that truck. I'm such a fucking retard. It's not even a sheep, it's like fucking hell. A sheep's got slightly deficient issues with its mind. Oh, poor thing though, it's in the back of that truck. Oh. Bah! There's a sheep in the back of that truck. Bah! 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 Right, vamos a la playa. A mí le gusta bailar. You dickhead. What? Really? I'm a bit fatter than that, dude. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please make sure to hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe. Hopefully Gabby will be back on the road a lot sooner. Gabby's leaving me. She's leaving me and she's going to Spain on Monday, so I'm going to be without my carer for a while. But when she gets back, I think she'll be able to get back on the road with her bike being all updated and smexy. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. What you do is, I want you to like stand over there and then like run towards the camera and then get really close and go like, welcome to a new video or something like that, okay?
I'm just gonna... Welcome guys to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.